Good morning, students. Today, this is class third. Class third. Subject GSC and date 21, 4, 20 and 21. We are studying lesson 1, living and non-living things. Lesson first, living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. Lesson first we are studying, and in this lesson we are solving worksheet first. Worksheet first. In this worksheet first, we have completed A, fill in the blanks. We have completed B, tick the right answer. And today third, C, write T for true and F for false. C, write T for true and F for false. Write T for true and F for false. So first, non-living things can move on their own. First one is non-living things can move on their own. No, it is incorrect. Non-living thing can move on their own. No, it is incorrect. They cannot move on their own. Only living things can move on their own. So first is false. So first is false. Second, animals move from one place to another in search of food, water and shelter. Yes, it is correct. Animals move from one place to another in search of food, water and shelter. The second is true. Second is true. Now we have to see the third question. Non-living things react to change in surroundings. Non-living things non-living things react to change in surroundings. No, it is incorrect. Non-living things do not react to change in surroundings. So this statement is false. F. And fourth, is a hen lay eggs from which chicks come out. Next question is there. A hen lays eggs from which chicks come out. Yes, it is correct. Hen is a egg laying animal. Hen is an egg laying animal. So a hen lays eggs from which chicks come out. This is true. Fourth is true. And now you see the fifth. The sunflower turns towards the sun. The sunflower turns toward the sun. Yes, it is correct. It is true. Sunflower turns toward the sun. It is true. So, true and false. Once again, we have to see. First, one, non-living things can move on their own. It is incorrect. First one is the false. Non-living things can move on their own. It is false because non-living things cannot move their own. Now next you see, animals move from one place to another in search of food, water and shelter. This is true as it is correct. Animals moves from one place to another in search of the food, water and the shelter. Now next, third, non-living things react to change in environment. Non-living things react to change in surroundings. No, it is incorrect. Non-living things do not react. Non-living thing do not react to change in surrounding, but it is written here. Non-living things react to change in surroundings. So this statement is false. Which question? Non-living things react to change in surrounding. Third, it is false. What we have written true? So we will correct it. It is third is also false. Third is false. Non-living things react to changes in surrounding. It is false. They do not react. Now, a hen lays eggs from which chicks come out. Yes, it is fourth. It is the true. Chicks, hen lay eggs from which chicks come out. Now next, the sunflower turns towards the sun. The sunflower turns towards the sun. It is true. It is true. So this is true and false. Now answer the following as the remains. So next time we will answer the following. Thank you. That's what we have.